Hello Tech Explorers, want more control over your Telegram group? Today I'll show you how to change group permissions in just few taps. Let's go. First, open Telegram and go to the group chat you want to modify. Now tap on the group name at the top to open the group info. Next, tap the pencil icon at the top right corner and select permissions. Here you will find a list of actions you can allow or restrict for members. Send messages, enable or disable messaging for everyone. Send media, control if members can share photos, videos or files. Add members, decide who can invite new people. Pin messages, choose if members can pin important chats. Slow mode, set a time limit between messages to avoid spam. Once you have adjusted everything, tap save and that's it. Your group is now set up exactly how you want it. What's your go-to Telegram settings for group chats? Drop it in the comments below. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.